Hey everyone, how you doing? It is me, Tim. I'm gonna be having me a Hostess sandwich, ding dong, frozen one. Yeah, now you can have these in your freezer. A Hostess Ding Dong sandwich. It's called. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Now this is good on a nice warm day like it is here in Michigan. I'll tell you, it's melting. But it's good, I like it. So how's everybody's Monday going for them out there? Well, I hope your Monday has been a terrific one so far for you, wherever you're at watching me on this Monday. Hey, how's the weather for you out there? Let me know in the comment box what your weather is like for you out there. Ours is another warm one today here in Michigan. It's another muggy warm one, but with the breeze it helps out. With the breeze it helps out, but it's kind of on the muggy side. So, but if you'd like me to, I'll send it to you. Just leave a comment and let me know. But I would like to welcome some brand new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel here. First off, I want to welcome Musical Juice 1970. Hello, Musical Juice 1970. Welcome to my channel. I see you're in music. I see you're into music and everything. Don't want to play any of your music because I'll get probably copyright. But yeah, if any of you are looking for a new subscriber, go check out Musical Juice 1970 if you're into music, and help them out to grow. And Musical Juice, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will enjoy it. Feel free to check out my other videos that I got plenty, so feel free to check them out, and share some with your family and friends, and feel free to talk to me at any time. I enjoy talking to my subscribers. But again, welcome to my channel, Musical Juice 1970. Okay, now I'd like to welcome another subscriber here. I want to welcome Austin Mueller, martial artist. Let's see, he's in martial arts. And there's a video of his right there. He just did that a week ago. Martial art. Yeah, martial art. He's only got 19 subscribers. So if any of you are into martial arts, go and check out Austin Mueller channel and subscribe to him. Show him some love. But again, Austin, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will enjoy it. I see that you kind of went on a little quiet side. You did a video just a week ago, then 5 months ago, and why is that? What made you decide to take a break, Austin? Let me know in the comment box. But Austin, welcome aboard, and feel free to check out my other videos that I got. I got plenty of them on here, so feel free to check them out and share some with your family or friends. And feel up to talking to me, Austin, because I love talking to my subscribers, so don't be hesitant in not talking to me. But again, Austin, welcome aboard. And got one more to say hello to. I want to say hello to Eric Sweet. Hello, Eric. Well, welcome to my channel, Eric. Well, I see you don't have any videos up on your channel, Eric. Just curious, Eric, if you got any plans to do any videos for your channel. I try to encourage people to do a video for their channel. That way you could get people to come and watch you and subscribe to you. So hopefully I can encourage you to do something, Eric. Just do something creative. Think of something awesome that people will like and enjoy, and they'll watch you. And they'll watch you. But again, Eric, welcome aboard to my channel, and I hope you will like it. Feel free to speak to me at any time, Eric. I love talking to my subscribers, so don't sit back and not talk. And feel free to check out my other videos. I got plenty on this channel, so feel free to check them out. And again, Eric, welcome aboard. So, what do y'all got planned on this Monday? Any special things for any of you out there? Me, I started off my day. I'm getting up about 6 o'clock this morning. Well, a little after 6. And got dressed, washed up. Turned on my pot of coffee, took my blood to see what that was, took my medication, and then got breakfast, had a bowl of cereal this morning, and all that great stuff, and then got the towels and stuck my bed, and got laundry together, and brought it in here, and then went to go pick up my son from work. Brought him home, and then I headed off to the laundromat to do some laundry this morning, and then after that came home and just chilled until I decided to take off. I got bored just sitting around. And then headed off to where I get my trains. The only thing I seen was Amtrak that pulled in, came from the west, was heading east, And then waited for a little bit, see if the lights would turn green for a freight, but no freight. So I left and came back home, and now I'm just chilling, deciding on what to do now. If I want to go for a walk or what I want to do. And if I do, well, then I'll head off for a walk. If I don't, well, I'll just sit around and chill and try to figure out what to have for dinner tonight. Want something easy, nothing hard, too warm to cook. Don't any of you get that way? Probably get like a microwave dinner or something. Who knows? Yeah, probably have that and chill and wait for the local news to come on and watch that and then do up the dishes and then have a cup of coffee this evening until I have to take my son to work and probably just sit and watch Counting On. That returns tonight on the TLC channel, so I'll be watching that. Then after watching that, then flip it to wrestling until I have to take my son to work. Yeah, that's how the rest of my good old Monday's gonna be for me, peeps. Going to be for me. Well, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video here today, and if you did, go thumbs up, share it. If you're new and came along this video, there's a red subscribe button right there, click on it and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I got a variety of different kind of videos, so feel free to check them out and share some with your family and friends. Again, y'all take it easy out there and have a wonderful one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going in to Tuesday, or almost stepping into Tuesday, well, hey, happy Tuesday to ya. And if you're still in the Monday and having a great Monday wherever you're at, well, happy Monday. And if you're getting a heat wave and stuff, hey, try to stay cool. Again, y'all take it easy. And this vlog is over.